So, welcome back, guys. So now I try my work kit to use. So, anyways, uh, now just came home, guys, from my work. So my first job, give my kolot this tiny books yata yan. At saka I didn't know ito this one. So I saw ito my kolot. Let's see what her reaction, guys. Kasi andun sila sa living room ng kanyang daddy. So, tatawagin natin. Let's call her. What is her reaction for this surprise? Sandrine! Sandrine! My employer give me this one. This is it. She said it's for you. Yes. Let's see what is this. You open, what is that?
I don't open this one first. Because it's so weird. I don't know what's in here.
It's very small.
Yeah. I don't know what's in here, but okay, let me just like the band first. Oh yeah, that's how you open it.
We're not showing her.
Wait, Muffy. It says Muffy.
Huh?
Miffy.
Miffy? I don't know this. Miffy, Miffy, or what?
It's Miffy.
Miffy.
What is this?
See, what is that?
I don't know. Yeah.
How do you use sharpener?
What is it? It's a set. Oh, it's open. Oh, it's a set.
It's a sharpener.
Yeah, there's clips. There's mini clips. Look, the mini clips. The mini clips that we used to use. It's a mini. There are mini clips that we used to have.
That what is the eraser?
Oh yeah, it is. Oh, I see it.
Oh, eraser. You have eraser now.
Gimme.
Don't lose it.
Okay.
She had already there now. Always I angry for her because her all the pencil because I bought a lot of pencil. So she take because I don't know, she's using the eraser is spoiled. So that's why every time she is writing, she take a new one for the eraser. Then I bought her erasers, lost again. So
Wow.
now have
Wait, it's stuck. It's stuck.
careful because you.
Oh, look.
Oh,
I
but
know.
if you use here.
Yeah, I sharpen it in there.
Yeah. The books. You check the books.
Oh, I like it. And it's so mean.
Mini.
Mini clip.
Mini clips.
Oh. Ah, it's a story.
It's a books. You read it. You can do anything.
What? It's so small.
You can read it.
It's so nice.
What do you say?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Auntie Sally. So, yan lang po, guys. Kasi yung ano ko, yung first job ko today, she gave me this one for my colot.
My favorite in this is the clips because they are so many.
Not so many, just only 3. Many clips. What do you sing for it? You clips the po ubat.
Oh,
Yeah, that is a clips. So that's why it's open. So yan lang po guys. I try only my 4K as well. So because my iPhone is I have a lot of video for Sandrines from school activity. So I'm not able to upload at the moment because the teacher said it's not allowed to post in social media. So just they take the video, allowed to take the video for only to keep for personal, not to post on social media. So that's why puno na yung puno na yung iPhone ko, hindi na pwedeng hindi na pwedeng kuha na ng habang video. So that's why I need to use my 4K because as well and also the problem of my iPhone is fast to take the time. It's fast and I don't know why it's fast. Unlike my 4K, very slow the time running to take the video. Maybe because of the full storage already. 125 gigabytes only this one. My iPhone. So yan lang po guys. Ay, nanghinayang naman ako kasi ma-upload ko din itong mga video na to for my kulot in school when she's moving to the junior high. Yung pang year 3 na siya. So kailangan i-stack ko muna ngayon job of the school law. So yan lang po guys, yung kulot ko ay tumakbo na. Andito kasi kami sa kwarto. So, I need to relax. Kasi pagod talaga pag kahit 5 hours lang yung work ko today. But, hindi straight ba, kumbaga, kailangan mong maghabol, hindi mo lang pahinga. Kailangan mong maghabol ng oras na matapos mo talaga. Tapos, sakay ka pa mag-catch ka ng bus. Buti na lang kung kung makahabol ka ng oras kung minsan malilate ka pa. Kaya maghahabol ka na naman papunta sa kabilang yun nakakapagod yung ganun. Gusto ko yung kahit 5 hours straight man lang kasi kahit pa paano 30 minutes or 1 hour ay you have a rest or kakain ng lunch, ganun. Ito wala eh. Hindi iniisip nila na porket free coffee or drinks or snacks ang nakalagay sa hindi na nila iniisip ang lunch ng kanilang housekeeping ng agency. Kaya akala nila kumakain yung ay ako ayokong huminto sa trabaho hanggat hindi matatapos. So, hindi ako kumakain ng pagkain sa ibang bahay. Lalo na hindi natin kilala yung mga tao. So, kaya kahit water, nagbabaon ako ng sarili kong water, may tumbler ako. Ito. Hindi talaga ako umiinom ng sa bahay, yung mga nililisan ko, kay normal customer ko na sila. Never, kasi natatakot ako. At saka mostly yung mga tao dito ay sa tap water sila umiinom, hindi sa faucet, hindi sila bumibili. Sa amin kasi, binibili yung tubig namin. At saka but boiled water is only sa tap water kasi binaboiled naman yan. So, okay lang. Pero pag direct sa faucet or sa tap, hindi kasi matapang yung dito, may parang semento. May scale yung tubig nila. So, ayan lang po guys. Bye-bye.